Welcome to day 54 days until festivals at Cayenne. And so I just wanted to show you guys what I'm working on today. I worked on the gator yesterday. I did a live video. I did 2 gators. I finished up the green and pink one today, so let's look at that real quick. And then I'll also show you something else that I'm working on. And I'm putting the scales on the back. There are 18 of these long scales. So I've cut my strips. I've already placed these. They're in place, so I know first scale goes here. And I'm using Heat and Bond Ultra Hold because it's what I have. I'm almost out, just using the rest of it. So while I was finishing up the gator, I ran out of storage on my memory card on the camera. So I didn't get the finishing of it, but you can see I did. I gave her some lashes. She's got a bracelet, some lips. And so this is just a really cute nail polish. Just a cute little female gator. Her eyes are a little bit wonky, but that's okay. She'll look fine once it's all finished. So this is a sweet little gator. So we're gonna get that done. The other thing, I started working on the next project last night after karaoke, because yes, of course, on day 55 I karaoke'd. I am doing a water tower. Now this is just a picture that I created and printed. It is a frog sitting atop a water tower, and so the name of the town is Rain, and that's a small town in Louisiana, and then the highway that runs through it is US Highway 90. So that is going to be the next project I work on. And I did start, it kind of looks like an octopus right now, but I got the interfacing and I drew the pictures on it. So now I'll just need to get the water tower done. And again, I'm going to put this on just a background so let's see, you can see there's just the water tower with the frog and the name on it. So that's what we're working on day 54.